Rollerblades mean different things to different people. For some, rollerblading is a sport. Roller skates or rollerblades are a great form of exercise, transportation, and a fun activity to do solo or with friends. Rollerblading provides a severe burn for your legs, core, and shoulders. Rollerblading is a fun activity. In this video, we will recommend you the 7 best inline skates. We created this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. Number 7. Rollerblade Zetrablade Women's Adult Inline Skate. The Rollerblade Zetrablade Women's Adult Inline Skate was explicitly designed with women in mind and is available in women's sizes. Like several beginner skates, there is a heel brake under the heel for easy stopping. These skates also give a smooth ride over uneven surfaces, and strides take minimal effort. Dee and Coco have a particular fondness for this skate, as it was their first pair, and the duo gives lots of credit to them for kicking off their passion for rollerblading. However, this skate is primarily designed as a recreational skate, so buyers wanting to get to a particular style of skating may find them limiting. With reliable lateral support, the Zetrablade cuff supports the lower leg for the desired forward flex. The laces work well with the reinforced uppers to create an additional wrapping effect when the skates are properly laced. Number 6. Roller Derby Aerio Women's Inline Skates. The Roller Derby Aerio Women's Inline Skates are designed with soft boots, lightweight frames, and supportive high cuffs. This combination makes the skates comfortable and supportive, which casual skaters need from their rollerblades. The skates are lined with plush memory foam padding, which will cushion your feet to keep you comfortable as you skate. And they're equipped with convenient closures like laces, buckles, and Velcro straps, making it easy to lock in a snug fit. The Aerio Women's Inline line is sporty and stylish. The soft boot and comfort memory padding will help you stride confidently while taking a recreational ride. You are built for fun and fitness, featuring lightweight aluminum frames, elite speed wheels, and fast Bevo Gold 7 race-rated bearings. Number 5. Rollerblade Zetrablade Elite Men's Adult Inline Skate. The Rollerblade Zetrablade Elite Men's Adult Inline Skate is meant for beginners to intermediates. They come with very middle-of-the-road wheels, 80mm diameter and 82A geometer, high cuffs made of plastic, and SG5 bearings that are smooth but not necessarily fast. The monocoque composite frames are made of plastic with a bit of torque, which somewhat reduces energy transfer efficiency during skating. These skates are suitable for people who want to learn the basics of roller skating. The wheel and bearing setup on the Zetrablade Elite are the perfect mixes for skating on various skating surfaces. These rollerblades are mainly meant for people who don't want to specialize in skating styles, at least not for the moment. They're perfect for recreation, but you won't be landing any tricks or winning any races. It's the perfect combination of grip and roll. Wheels and bearings are what make your skates roll smoothly. Number 4. XinoSports Kids Inline Skates. The XinoSports Kids Inline Skates are premium, high-quality rollerblades with all 8 illuminating wheels that emit bright LED lights when skating. It adds visibility and makes the rollerblading experience much more satisfying. These are beautiful and stylish rollerblades that your children will want to ride. Blades with straps and clasps that break after a few uses waste time and money. That's never a worry when you choose XinoSports. It uses double-thick threading to reinforce the seams and industrial-grade plastic for the clasps. The inner foam lining and rust-resistant aluminum frame support the foot and ankle can't be matched. Others use glue to keep the skates together. The result is a much higher quality, durable skate. Kids grow up so fast, but that's not an issue for these roller skates for boys and girls. They expand up to 4 sizes, so they can use them from their youth to young adulthood. Number 3. Rollerblade Zetrablade Men's Adult Fitness Inline Skate. The Rollerblade Zetrablade Men's Adult Fitness Inline Skate is perfect for the casual skater. It is designed with soft boots and durable composite frames, and the skates are comfortable but supportive. Their low center of gravity will help you stay balanced and in control as you skate. And their sturdy high cuffs will provide even more support. Rollerblade 80mm wheels are paired with SG5 bearings for beginner and intermediate skaters. The skates are lined with plush performance padding, which cushions your feet and keeps you comfortable as you skate. The skates are great for beginners who need as much padding as possible. The skates also boast helpful features like easy-to-tie laces, quick fasten buckles, and durable wheels. The hook, strap, and lace closure system will help fasten the feet properly into the skate. Number 2. LIKU Black Professional Inline Skates. The LIKU Black Professional Inline Skates has its EVA elastic cotton, provide all the cushioning needed, with good protection and plasticity. The lining is removable, net-shaped design with good ventilation, convenient for cleaning and drying more. It comes with thickening shoes shell, front and rear are ventilation holes, with unmatched quality and durability. Skate structure features an integrated shell and frame system with a low balance structure improves balance, control, and lateral support. Design is with aluminum alloy tool holder and non-rust. It is stable tool holder and suitable for high-strength roller skating. Soles include shock absorbers, provide a smooth, easy ride. Triple protection, the safety buckle, strap, and lace closure system work well with the reinforced uppers. It is easy to use and create an additional wrapping effect. Help fasten the feet properly into the skate, enable a secure fit. Number 1. JetHok Inline Skates. The JetHok Inline Skates is with aluminum alloy tool holder and non-rust. It is stable tool holder and suitable for high-strength roller skating. Soles include shock absorbers, provide a smooth, easy ride. It comes with 85 APU wheels and ABC. 7 bearings ensure miles of smooth rolling with durability and fast. With 84*24mm L size, wheels can enjoy a more smooth and confident ride. The design provides extra foot support and balance. Thickening shoes shell, front and rear, are with ventilation holes, with unmatched quality and durability. Skate structure features an integrated shell and frame system, with a low balance structure improves balance, control, and lateral support. Padded liner ensures a snug fit with an easy closure system, buckles, lace, and strap. With mesh surface are breathable. Feel cool when you are skating. We can't mention the price because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.